In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find all the Snapchat filters in 2021. This is pretty straightforward and it's not going to take up too much of your time, so let's just get straight into it. Once you've loaded up Snapchat and you're on the Snapchat camera, you can see a little emoji icon on the right hand side of the record button. If you go ahead and tap on that emoji icon, smiling face icon, that's going to go ahead and load up. You can see some filters here. If I scroll to the right, you can see some filters. But now these are limited and these aren't all the filters. So if you want to go ahead and get every single one of the filters, all you would need to do is tap on the explore button there at the bottom right hand corner. And then you can just tap on OK if that message pops up. And now it's going to load up all the Snapchat filters that you can go ahead and use. And you can see if I scroll down, if it will load. Okay, so you can see that there's a whole bunch of filters that I can go ahead and use. And if you're not finding anything that you like within that list, but it goes on forever and ever, you can just scroll down and scroll down. There is also a search bar at the top, so you can search for that and you can type in a filter if you want to search for a filter. And then you can go ahead and find the filter that way if you know the name of the specific filter. So that was a quick and simple tutorial. If it helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.